This anime continues to impress me. And we had a great moment of popping off, defeating that monster. Team effort. Everybody was involved. And everybody is getting rewarded. We got to learn about the main character's dreams. His goal is to like do this like the hardest dungeon level, which also opens like a gateway to like a different dimension to the underworld, which is pretty interesting. And we now know that the Thunder Pike dude, the shitty guy, he's a childhood friend of Yuke. And Yuke was like, bro, I ain't your bro anymore. Fuck off. And then he's molding, just seething, because everybody, like, his party sucks. Thunder Pike is only good because of Yuke. And now everyone's like, just getting salty and new people are leaving. And we also had the fat guy that showed up. The fat guy who was like, oh, the girls are supposed to be mine. I'm sure they're gonna do something stupid. It's gonna be fun content for us. Let's begin today's reaction. Quest? We're gonna get new drip. Lady Adventure. Oh! Stylish yet safe. Okay, I wonder if they're just gonna make a bunch of bikini armors for us. Latest armor. It's like a sponsor. It's like a collab. Dude, I love how, again, they really tackle the themes of like the streaming element, the content creation, the sponsorships now. You got different brands showing up. Hey, can you wear this armor? And then we'll like basically like you guys use you for like promotional footage, and you know, everything will just be just like you guys get the equipment, you guys get the money, we get the exposure, everybody wins. Bikini armors, let's go. They already. How am I looking? How am I looking? We have to keep it. Nice. It's gotta be sexy armor, right? Slimes. If they were just complete content fiends, absolute demons, they would give the girls bikini armors. And then the dungeon will be like slimes or something tentacle related. Alright. Shadow Stalker. That's not a good... I mean, if the title called Shadow Stalker, what is it? Is it gonna be the disgruntled fat guy that's upset that the girls are with you? Is that the Shadow Stalker? Is it a combination with him and the Thunder Pike leader? Who knows? Oh, is this a drip? Okay. That's crazy that the armor also has a belly button indent. Like, for Sylphie, I don't understand because, you know, this is basically just like, you know, skimpy like layer of clothing. But this is a whole ass armor. This is a metallic fucking plate, and they decided to, yep, have a little dent for the belly button. Nice. It's not as, I don't know, it's not as fan servicey as I expected. I was expecting bikini armor, but hey, it looks good. Looks great. What? What? They look cute. These two are happy. Roxy's not that happy about it. Maybe she didn't want cute. Maybe she wanted, I want to be sexy. Cool. Yes. Why is she so aggressive about this? Okay, are you happy or what? Why she got the attitude right now? Okay, they look great. They look great. Keep pouting. That's what you think, right? You think that, wow, sponsorships, we get free stuff and we get paid to do this? It's a hack. There's no way this makes sense, right? No. The amount of money that the company and the brands will now make because of the exposure, this right now is a tiny upfront cost and investment. And then the advertisement campaign will make so much fucking more money that this again is nothing. She's still pouting. What? What? Does she want more compliments? She's still pouting. She got a stick up her ass. What?
このアイオン遺跡迷宮はかなり古い4階層。
Okay.
一番深いところにはメインダンジョンであるアウトレット廃棄都市迷宮の機能もあるメインダンジョンへの通路だな。
No,
クエス
sure.
トは
Dungeon into a
入
dungeon.
り口にと下へ降りるのに使用可能な階段は東西の端に一つずつあるから。
ロープで降りた方が早いんじゃない？
そう考えたやつは他にもいたが
Not allowed.
迷宮化してるせいだろうな。位相が歪んでいないように。
What happens if you do?
わかりました。
Where do you get distorted into? She's still pouting!
レイン
Rain is still fucking pouting! Rain, you look really nice. It's not cute. It's more than cute. What is it? What is it, girl? What do you want?
木から何か起こって
She
るみ
seems
たい
very
だけど。
pissed off.
だからだよ。
He did say something. He said they look cute.
女心ってものを分かってます。
Hairstyle change? Okay, she's flexing her hair. It's not the artifact. She got a new hairstyle. Okay, Rain, nice hairstyle.
先生は女心ってものを分かって。
飛びに合わせて
Okay, the
今の
ribbon.
色を変えたん
Okay,
だ
it's not even the hairstyle, it's the fucking
変にや
ribbon.
った
She's too goddamn cute. You gotta get my ribbon. My ribbon, you finally noticed my little ribbon.
なかなか可愛くていいよ。おい、どうした？
Debuff her by calling her
そう
cute.
ですよ、先生。
Nice ribbon. You went too far. Rain is still my favorite out of the three. She's too goddamn cute. Very obvious trap. Tap tap.
よし、大丈夫だ。進もう。大丈夫？
うん、抜けられるよ。ちょうどよかったかも。
Oh yeah, snug armor.
階段はすぐそこだ。
スープは何？
そればっかりはスープストックに引かないとね。でもレインの
What?
メインばっかりずるい。今日は
Rain's getting all the attention.
私はミルクシチューがいい。
戦闘準備。
Let's try the new weapons. Ooh, scary orcs. They're pretty scary actually. They're huge.
オルクス。
オルクスがエルフ族にとっての宿敵だというの
Are
は分かっているが。
分かっております。
Elves hate them
ですが確
specifically.
実に排除。
よし、数は4体。
Kind of racist. It's like Freeren being super racist to demons.
敵には C の相手だが、向こうが上手だと思って油断するな。まず魔法と弓で戦速は援護。
僕は
衝撃にでかいのを頼む。できれば数を減らしておきたい。
Let's go, buff up.
イカれる獣のごとく燃え盛り。
いいか。
RGB aura online.
ファイアボール。
Cook them. Headshot.
パラダイス。スロー。
Oh, the blade turns black.
さっさと行きなさい。
Okay, no, whoa, you don't. Jesus Christ, girl. One was enough. You gotta stay. You don't have to start tapping anymore, bro. Holy shit.
さっさと行きなさい。ナイスシルク。
とどめよ。
Nice front flip.
了だ。
うまくいき。
Be funny if Silk walked around and just spat on their grave, like started stepping on them.
少しは落ち着いた。
Yeah, I saw it. You're very mad.
エルフの勝
That's
負。
very
気にすること
personal.
はないさ。
なのにとは言わないんですね。
シルクはシルクだろ。入れ物なんてのはただの迷信だろ。
Okay. Wait. There's some internal war, faction wars happening within the elf squad. Dark elves? It's like a stereotype that dark elves betray the elves?
邪魔だと思って。
I wanna meet a light elf then.
まるでドワーフみたいにアーティファクトをめでてるぞ。
I thought she was gonna say you looked because of her height or something.
とめでてるぞ。
Roasting her. Alright, Rain can take a joke. I thought that maybe she can't take a joke at all and she'd start fucking crying because you roasted her.
ユウク、オルクスがなんか変なのを持ってたよ。
変なもの？いいものを見つけたな、マリナ。
そうなの？何ですか？
少し
典型の覚書き？
隠された能力を発掘するためのアーティファク
Oh,
ト
it's like a praising.
のかな。高く売れる？
このままじゃ二足三門だな。だけど売るのはもったい。そこは錬金術師たる俺の腕の見せ所だ。
Let's see
修
it.
復がうまくいったら 誰かが使えばの才能が少し開花する。
Someone gets a power up.
2つ目の職能が発現したり、
一つのマリナが使うのが良さそうですね。
Only one job. Y'all have more than one?
魔剣士は珍しいからそこに才能が集約されてるかもって神殿の人にも言われ。
まあジョブでなくても何か隠れた才能が見つく。それは
Wait, what? Wait, what?
そういう見方もあるが、まあジョブでなくても
I read bride. No.
それは才能。
What? No. The other girls got so jealous there, though. Marina is making the moves first. Bride mentioned already. Rain and Silk shook.
チェストだ。
Alright, it's eating time.
よかったねレイ。
チェストからマジックバッグが出るとは大当たり。
僕がもらっていいの？もちろんだよ。そういうのは公営職が持ってた方がいいんでしょ？
手に入ったらシルクが使うといい。
よろしいのですか？
もちろんだ。矢を手に入るもんじゃないけど。
期待せず楽しみにしています。
俺はスクロールを一つ消費したくらいマナは大丈夫だ。
私も大丈
残り20本あります。
Alright, everyone's good. My belly is
ではクエスト
full.
再開だ。
Thank you for the important note.
どこからモンスターが攻撃してくるかわからない。気をつけてな。
ここはフロアボスはいないんです。
の扉前にいたらしいけど、この10年ほどは目撃されていないらしい。と呼ばれるモンスターが複数で
Shadow Stalker mentioned. That's the title today.
ですか。
Yes, they lurk in the shadows to hunt the shadows. Shadow
夫。それ
Garden.
ってどんなもん？
目だけがランランと光っているって記述があった。
あんなの？
Yeah, exactly. It's that.
シャッター
Hey, here we go. Record that shit.
最初。
Nice.
ないけど。
It's stalking
は
us.
超えられない。すぐに襲いかかってくるということもないだろう。
But the lab. Oh, it doesn't care. It doesn't care.
クローブマルチエンジェント。
RGB aura up. Ooh.
なんだい。
She got one shot.
神よ、傷ついたものに癒せ。
何をした。プロテクション。ならばブリンクシャドウ、ウェポン、エンチャントセイント、フレイムスクラッチ。
Buff up, buff up, buff up. He using magic too.
ダメだ、みんな。
Is this bad ending? I mean, if even you could sing it, this is hopeless. Like, oh, okay. Bad ending. Like, I thought this was just gonna be a little fun date with the girls with the new gear and shit, but no.
暗黒魔法。ダメだ。
Yo, raid wipe? Magic again.
ドライアド。
なんで息をしてない？レイ。
Oh, wow. It's so yo.
レイ。
Things are actually looking really bad.
エンチャントセイント。なら広範囲魔法で。
Maybe the girls were clutch. Maybe for the first time, because like so far, Yuke has been bailing them out every time. So it would be really cool if the girls come together and save him instead.
なら広範囲魔法で氷のつぶてよ、天より降り注ぐほうき海底魔法、アイスグラベル。
Let's go, Rain.
消えた治癒魔法は。
Oh.
二人とも。
He just scratching him. Dead. How? Thought he wasn't breathing. Body double protection.
俺の仲間。
Yeah, I don't know. He had like another relic, another item. Body double protection. I'm gonna assume that the curse stuff hit the body double. He's good.
よくも俺の仲間を傷つけてくれたな。ワンサウザンドスネードレスベノムセーン。
Debuff.
第4海底級精霊。
Soundtrack going crazy. Okay, Ivy made it, not Iron. Purify that shit. Damn, Rain. Why didn't you use that from the fucking beginning? I don't know. Maybe it would have never worked because we couldn't have, you know, sealed him there. All right, happy ending. I thought that we were actually going really bad ending there, man. The girls clutched, Yuke clutched, body talisman, OP. You can hear his bones cracking every time.
マリナも年
おい俺がしてるわけ
She's a girl coming of age. You shouldn't hug her. What are you implying there, Rain? What do you mean?
は良くない。
おい俺がしてるわけじゃあ
If you held onto the hug long enough, maybe she would have gotten pregnante, man. You gotta be
降
careful.
りてくるとはマリナが見つけてくれなかったら不意打ちを受けていたな
たまたまだよ。
レインあいつどうだった
アンデッドだけどマナも乱れてた。多分正しい。
通れないはずの吹き抜けを通って階層を行き来するなんて
And
お
it
かしい
did.
ものな
オーバーフローみたい。
Overflow, not the anime, but this is that dungeon break thing that we always see in anime, right? When these fantasy shows where, yeah, you know, it's just like stronger monsters that shouldn't be here is fucking showing up.
いるんだまずはクエストを終えよ
生配信で知らせるのはどうかな。
We can't show them
依
yet?
頼主に無断で生配信は避けたいな
We might get
誰と
fined.
しても最終手段だ
Alright.
クエスト後にクワロトの冒険者ギルドに報告して調査チームを組んでもらおう見るくらいは許可してくれるだろうしよし行こうか
待って、ゆ
Oh, the heal.
傷治そう。
Lick it.
こういう時こそ焦っちゃダメ。でしょヤシは。
No
ヒーリ
lick?
ング
Okay.
けど僕たちも一人前の冒険者だから。
Oh, they've grown up.
そうだね
That's
良く
right.
ない。
We're a team. Do it together.
僕はマナが少し減っただけ。
Rain, you're showing that
私も問
leadership.
題なしです。私も大
That's OP, bro. Refreshing mana? What the hell? That's like
ありがと
infinite
う
mana.
ゆ
Rain, best girl.
ここが4位。
Now that's a boss
アウトレ
door.
ット廃棄都市迷宮の入り口だ
なんだかすごいね。
の住処でこ
People
っちの
used
遺
to
跡は
live.
商店を集めた建物だったんじゃないかって言われているそれを解明するのが俺たち冒険者の課題さあそこはまだ未踏破の
あそこの最深部にもアビスゲートがあるかもしれませんね。
可能性はあるな
そうなの？
別の世界に渡るためのアーティファクトだという説がある。だからいろんなところにあるかも。
さあそれじゃあ扉に触れて依頼完了だ
Surely it'll be that simple. I don't think it will be that simple. What if we get transported somewhere else and we get fucked up? Like, are we sure? I don't know. I don't got a good feeling about this. Maybe we shouldn't touch the door, bro.
それじゃあ扉に触れて依頼完了だ
Okay, here we go. Okay. I was worried for no reason. I thought something really bad would happen. We're good. We're good.
ルコが一番疲れてるでしょ。お疲れ様。
何このくらいなんてことの完了録画の提出それからシャドウストーカーの件を報告してきた
Okay.
だとあさっては休養日にしてクワロトに泊まろう
4人でデートしよ
Date.
うしていただけると助かります。
Yeah.
ユークとアーティファクトを見て回りたい。
分かっち明日はみんなで観光しよう
私ご飯の美味しい
Yo, they taken every
僕は
limb.
アーティファクトバザールに行きたい。
全部いっぺんに
This guy has it so good.
するか少し行ったところにうまい鶏料理を出す店があるんだ
さすがユウくん抜け目
今後のサポートも俺の仕事だからな
He's doing this fucking thing, bro. Look at this rose petal show up.
せろ冒険後のサポートも俺の仕事だからな
Ikemen. Oh, the girls. That was a big cringe. Funny though. All right, and that's another episode. I thought that something really bad would happen in today's episode and lead into something else crazy, but that's pretty much it. We got like a sponsorship, you know, new brand deal, new armors, and they want to go to this dungeon and clear this stuff. The Shadow Stalker though, I mean, it's like the first time they've seen this in over like a decade, right? And Rain was talking about how like it's like a creation that was made and how it was able to bypass that like labyrinth, you know, spatial magic distortion stuff. I don't know if we should be worried about this or if this kind of leads into like a future plot point, but hey, cool episode with the fight scenes. The fight scenes actually look great too, and the girls, right? They are not just getting carried. Like Yuke is pretty OP, and he does, you know, he's very significant. But like when he was knocked down, it's not as if the girls just crumbled down and wasn't able to do anything, right? Rain though, I think gets a lot of extra points from me. She just peaked, bro. The way that she was pouting and saying, "Oh, notice my ribbon, pout," and her like leadership presented at the end too. So far, Rain is best girl. That's it from me. If you're still here though, if you enjoyed this reaction, please like the video. Check out the other playlist for even more content. And until next time, take care.